Hello. Good morning, class. Good morning. Yes, welcome for today's lesson. I'll be going to take you through the information, introduction to information sources. Uh, Before we start our lesson, let me confirm if everybody is in class. Uh, Caroline Chepkirui. Caroline. Caro. Okay, we have Kirui Shadrach. Yeah, we have Sek Mogaya. Sek. It seems like it's not in class. Okay. We have Kemboy Dominic. We have Collins and Kelvin Cheto. So I think that everybody is in class. Let us go to our today's topic. Mm, Introduction to information resources. Are you able to view my screen? Okay, so yeah, I'm going to take you through this introduction to information resources, and under this, by the end of this lesson class, you should be able to define given terms associated with human information resources. We also have differentiate between material, institutional, and human resources. So we are going to define the terms. Um, Let us start with information. Who can give us the meaning of the term information? Collins? Collins? Yeah. Mhm. Good. Information. This is an assemblage of recorded data in a comprehensive from recorded on paper or electronic and capable of communication. Uh, so let us go and see the resources. What is resources? Kelvin, give us the meaning of the resources.
This is this available means support from which gains individual gains, which can be person or material.
Uh, Resources. This is the available means of support from which an individual gains it. It can be a person or a material. Thank you for your definition of that resources. So next, we are going to see about media. Media class. It is a carrier of a message or means of communication. It therefore is the linkage between the message and the recipient referred to as information user or consumers. Um, Let us go to material resources. These material resources refers to a tangible sources of information. It incorporates print and non-print media. Have you understand it? Have you understand? Okay. Next. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Kirui, I'm seeing your hand up. Any question? Kirui. Yeah.
I wanted to read something there,
Yeah.
but it has been read through.
Okay. So we are going to see print media. The print media come into being around 16th century through the Chinese who invented paper. A man called Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press.
Why is that?
This changed the history
Why
of
Mazimwe?
mankind.
Why Mazimwe?
It helped in reading and writing skills, and as a result, mass production of printed sources. For example, we have textbook, news, and newspapers were developed. It is the source of information arising in information content in a print form. This is um, through an impression that produce letters, words, and pictures on a paper or any other given service. Non-print media. Somebody to read for us non-print media. Sek, Mr. Sek. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. This is a term referring to sources of information arising through or from recorded sounds and images, e.g., films, magnetic tapes, drama, film physics, slides, etc. They are usually associated with the concept of electronics and either paper-based media, e.g., photographs, and these are all products of modern communication technology. It's also a modern communication medium for storage and retrieval of information, and an important supplement to the print media in the communication process.
Good. I think everybody has got the information. Any question? If there is no question, let us go to the next page. We have institution resources. There are available aids that assist information dis- dissemination through provision of certain function or services. For example, they give accommodation or houses the material resources and conserve and produce or organize the information. We have example of these institutional resources. Number one, we have libraries. I think you have come through these libraries in your schools, and also we have the community libraries there in centers. We have publishing firms, we have documentation centers, we have record centers and archival centers. Um, that's human resources. Under human resources, these are personnel providing the information lab our forces. The information in the information field comprises of librarians. We have librarians who are operating in libraries. We have document list. We have archivists who are working in archival centers and others. And other specialist information providers, we have health officers and also information bloggers. Mhm. Class, thank you for today lesson. I think we have finished the lesson for today. And before we finish our lesson, let us go through what we have learned today. Anybody to give us a view on what we have learned today?
Yes, we have learned about the three types of sources information. So we have learned about the institution, human resource, and material resource.
Okay, good. Any other clarification?
Uh, we, are, we, are, we have also learned that the person called Gutenberg in
Uh-huh.
the 16th century started the print media.
Okay, good, Mr. Seth. So before we finish our lesson, any question? If there is none question, I'll give you an assignment on you. I expect you to give me the function of librarian as a human information resource for 4 marks, and this will be submitted in the next lesson. So thank you for your participation.